Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your home screen to look like an iOS device. So let's start. To customize my home screen, I have used two apps. One is Photo Widget and another is Stelio MP3. You can use any MP3 widget you like. Open the Google Play Store and search for Stelio Music and MP3 player. Just like I said, you can use any MP3 player you want. Download it and search for another app, which is Photo Widget. Both of the apps I am using here are free. So download the Photo Widget app and open it. And you'll see that there's nothing here. So let's close the app and long press the home screen to add a widget. Now search for Photo Widget and add to your home screen. And automatically the photo widget will open. Here you can select a photo directly from your gallery by tapping on the image placeholder. You can also add photos from your Google Photos. I'll just select one from my gallery. Now I'll just choose a random picture. And tap Add Widget. Now I have to resize the widget accordingly. I'll just make it a perfect size. Okay. Now it's time to add the MP3 player widget. Just like before, long press the home screen and tap Widget. And select a Stelio player. And now choose the dimension you want. I'll just randomly select one. Here you can see you can customize your widget just like you want. And then tap Apply. So that's how you customize your home screen to make it like an iOS device. You can customize your home screen according to your taste. I'm just showing you the basics. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.